Hello everyone, Red Fedora Guy here again, and welcome to episode 6 of Chaos on the Corner. Now, once again, we're going to keep on watching the crazy things happening on this corner. All right.
Look at this guy on the back of his bike. He's got all this metal, all these metal things that he's going to work with, metal frames. Oh, watch it, turning left, oh, sorry, turning right. Yeah, this guy's got to get across. Not sure what he's doing. Now maybe he's going for a coffee. No, he's turning around. That's his way of doing a U-turn. He's going back. Yep, going down the opposite side. Rather than coming up and do a U-turn, may as well go back against traffic, and that's just the way they do it. Sometimes the logic to me doesn't make sense, but hey, if it makes sense to them, who am I to say? So we got some more coming down here. People acknowledging me, saying, what the heck's this guy up? Hello, how are you? Look, they're happy people, they're nice people, and it's so much fun. I could do this all day. Look at this little girl in the middle. Hello, how are you? Hello. Just happy people. What can I say? This guy's got an iron rod in his hand. Let's hope it doesn't implode. And there goes a cart, and there's a farang there. Watch it, buddy. He seems to know what he's doing. You just got to kind of be aggressive. Not kind of be aggressive. You definitely have to be aggressive. If you're not, you're going to get mowed. You're going to be mowed. And if you like having fun, ride on the back of one of these suckers or just hang out on the corner and watch them. And it's just pick a corner that's busy, and you'll see how much fun it is just watching. There goes an ambulance. It's going pretty slow. But it's got, maybe it's a police car, but you don't see too many police. You see a lot of families on bikes. Look at this little boy on the front. Got his brother on the back. And is that the mother driving? Yeah, the mom's driving. Oh, she's got to turn around. She's having a little difficulty. Hello. See, there you go. Happy people. And like I say, this is nothing but a fun ride. And I hope to heck that I don't see any people get hurt. I would hate that to happen. I'll drop my camera. If it happens, then I'll go help. Because
Speaking of helping, if you guys want to take a look at my new website, rfroulette.com, where you're going to find some really neat handcrafted fedoras. We have our own designer now and lots of colors. So come on over to rfroulette.com or redfedorabrand.com. All right, back to the show.
later on at night, this is early in the morning. This is only like 8 o'clock in the morning. Could you imagine that rush hour? Now, I don't want to film this lady. I don't want for privacy. You know, I could just film her walking, but why? You know, she's just getting some exercise. And I try not to get too personal, but it is out in the public, so nobody should have a problem. Guys with cigarettes in their yaps driving along, and a lot of people want to say hi. Some people, they give me the stink eye, but for the most part, they're like, okay, watch out, okay, you got it, no problem, not a problem. And a lot of people are covered like kamikaze, that's Japanese, but the Vietnamese here in Hoi An, well, it's 99% Vietnamese. They're just such nice people. Hello, hey, how are you doing? See, they say hello. They're friendly. You go to a cafe. I went to the coffee shop up here, Van Cafe, and the whole table, there's probably 20 of them just sitting there having coffee, men and women. They looked at me and they're like, oh, hello, and like, hello. They don't see too many Westerners, especially with the way that I look with my goatee and stuff. So if you notice, all the guys, almost 100% of them that I've seen are clean shaven. You know, that's what they do. And we got to stand off here. No, don't do it. Go on the left-hand side. Yep, that's it. Watch it. Watch out. Oh, Christ. No, he's trying to get over to the right, and he's doing a pretty bad job. The other guy at least stayed on the left. So, he's just going right here. There's his place of business. It looks like a shed. So, there we go. Hello, baby. Kids on the back, kids on the front. Hang on for dear life. Still haven't seen any side saddlers today, but last night I did. You know, there's a little baby. Hello, baby. Didn't look this way. Probably would have waved. And if you're in for the thrill, this is the place to be. It's just so inviting, so exciting. So there's a Frank. Get your shirt on, buddy. About your awesome body. Who gives one crap? You know, they're very, when in Rome, do as the Romans. Don't walk around without a shirt because it's just plain rude. I just find that so rude. So you got a macho body. Who gives one? So you Westerners who think you walk around, good for you. Which also means GFY. Good for you. You know what I mean? Good for you. And nobody cares except for maybe you and, like I say, GFU. GFY, I should say. Okay, buddy's got his lunch. He's off to who knows where. Hello. Give me the old nod. You know, they might look like they're very, they've got this scowl on their face, but it's not. It's not that way. And then you see them smile and you're like, you know what? These are decent people. Look at this guy with the sign. Sign on the back, will travel.
All right, everyone, that about wraps it up. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to subscribe and ring the bell. Really appreciate you dropping by, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.